Welcome to the frontier of innovation, where digital twins are transforming the way we interact with the world around us. Today, we dive into the stories of 10 groundbreaking AI startups harnessing the power of digital twin technology. First, meet Presenso, now a part of SKF. Specializing in predictive maintenance for industrial equipment, Presenso uses machine learning to create digital twins of machinery. Their unique selling proposition? AI-driven predictive maintenance. The unique value proposition of Presenso is clear, reducing unplanned downtime and maintenance costs through real-time anomaly detection and predictive analytics. Presenso's growth has been remarkable, expanding its capabilities under SKF's umbrella. Next, we explore Cityzenith, revolutionizing smart city infrastructure and urban planning. Their platform, Smart World Pro 2, integrates numerous data sources, creating comprehensive 3D digital twins of entire cities. Cityzenith's USP is its ability to provide detailed, actionable insights for urban planning, energy usage, and infrastructure management. As smart city projects gain momentum globally, Cityzenith's growth continues to soar. In the realm of logistics and automation, Cognition Factory stands out. They offer real-time digital twins of warehouses and distribution centers, leveraging advanced computer vision and machine learning. Their unique value proposition? Enhancing efficiency and accuracy in logistics operations. Cognition Factory is rapidly gaining traction in the logistics sector. Falconry offers operational AI for industrial settings, focusing on anomaly detection and predictive maintenance. Their digital twin technology provides crucial insights for improving operational efficiency. The UVP of Falconry lies in its actionable insights that reduce downtime. Their growth is driven by the increasing demand in manufacturing and industrial sectors. Beyond Limits combines cognitive AI with digital twin technology to tackle complex industrial problems. Their diverse applications span oil and gas, healthcare, and manufacturing. Beyond Limits' USP is its ability to provide detailed simulations and predictive insights, optimizing operations across industries. Their growth is marked by expanding collaborations with major corporations. Sight Machine specializes in manufacturing analytics, using real-time digital twin technology to enhance productivity and quality in manufacturing processes. The unique value proposition of Sight Machine is its continuous data streams and analytics, driving efficiency and reducing waste. Sight Machine is experiencing significant growth as more manufacturers aim to optimize operations. Rescale offers a cloud-based platform for complex engineering simulations, utilizing digital twins to accelerate product development. Their USP is the ability to perform faster, more accurate simulations. Rescale's growth is fueled by increasing adoption in aerospace, automotive, and scientific research sectors. Axelos focuses on asset integrity management, using advanced physics-based digital twins. They provide detailed insights for maintaining critical infrastructure. Axelos' unique value proposition is the enhanced safety and longevity of assets. Their growth is driven by expanding their presence in the infrastructure and energy sectors. Twace specializes in battery management, using digital twins to predict performance and extend battery lifespan. Twace UVP includes improved safety and enhanced performance of battery systems. Their growth is rapid in the electric vehicle and energy storage markets. Finally, Prophecy develops event-based vision sensing and AI. They create real-time dynamic digital twins for automation and robotics. Prophecy's unique selling proposition is its high-speed, low-latency data for intelligent systems. As industries move towards smarter automation, Prophecy's growth is notable.
These AI startups are at the forefront of digital twin technology, driving innovation, efficiency, and safety across various sectors. Their unique solutions are not just transforming industries, but also paving the way for a smarter, more connected world.